So sorry for the shitty amateur recording. I just got this today. And this is new T-Mobile's new internet service, which I get the 5G coverage. Hold on. Which I get their 5G coverage, and I just got their package today with their 4G, 5G router. So here we go. Here's the router. So this supports Wi-Fi 6, and it can connect up to 64 devices, I believe, which I don't have that many, but it does support up to that much. And then here we go, we have the router. And then in here we got a power cable, an Ethernet cable. So let's give this quick start guide, quick look through. It's telling me basically to download the app, support, power on, position. So we will, and there's just safety regulation and their return policy. So here's the gateway. And as far as I'm aware of, it has a touch screen, which I'm not going to mess with. So on the back, we get a LAN port, or a phone port, which I'm just a USB-C, which as far as I'm aware of is turned off, and phone. LAN, reset, your power on-off switch, and this is to connect an external battery. It's got a battery in here that can last up to 6 hours in life. As you can see, it is turning on right now without the power brick being installed, which will set it up, which we will set up in the app, which I'm going to screen record that. Then here's your peel port. So let's wait for the T-Mobile to do its thing. And there we go, it's actually booting up. So it says internal battery below power. And here's a little layout of the screen. So let's give this, let's get this set up. So here we go, we're in the app setting it up. So we got a gray gateway. I'm very confident. So let's scan the QR code that is on the bottom of this. We are connected to power. Wait for gateway to start. Okay, so it is connecting to the gateway. And my phone connected to it. Okay, so it is configuring the network right now. And it gave me a prompt on the screen that my furry wolf network is ready. Okay, so we are joining the network. Alright, so I just found a good spot in my home, and let's get connected to the internet, and it looks like our signal strength is good. So, alright, and I have one device connected, which is my phone. There's the name of my network. So let's run a speed test right now. So the ping is about like 40, 50, which the ping is 59, which, I mean, it's not bad, but it's not good either.
Not
but
bad.
I mean, it's decent enough. I mean, for $50 a month, you are really getting your $50 worth out of this little device, and we're almost getting to 200. I even got 200 on some of my testings.
All right.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I will make a video after 2 weeks of the service, and we will get and I will do one after a month. So stay tuned.